The new eProject Builder 3.0 is designed to accommodate utility energy service contracts, or UESC projects. This video provides a brief overview of how to enter a UESC project into eProject Builder. Like other project types, for UESC projects, the project initiator, typically the customer, first initiates the project in the system and assigns the project builder to the project. The project builder is typically the utility team point of contact. In some cases, the utility may decide to designate the project builder role to the point of contact for their ESCO subcontractor. The designated project builder can then enter project data by either populating the ePB data template or entering it directly into the online system. This video covers entering a UESC project into ePB via the data template, which is the recommended method. UESC projects can be entered into the calculating or non-calculating ePB data template. Both template versions are available on the ePB help and documentation page. The calculating template provides automated amortization calculations for finance projects and produces the pro forma and payment schedule, contract term, and simple payback. It can also be useful for developing different project financial scenarios. In some cases, the financier may accept the ePB calculations for the financing contract. Some fields are required to be completed in the calculating template so it can perform the calculations. The non-calculating template provides no financial calculations, though it does provide some totals at the bottom of the columns. All financial information, for example, the pro forma, payments, debt service, etc., must be entered manually by the project builder. To fill out the template, start on the summary schedule. You'll see the project agreement field right at the top. Choose UESC from the drop-down list. When the user chooses UESC for the project agreement type, the ePB data template and online system display the applicable terminology and fields for UESC projects as opposed to terminology for other project types. For this reason, it is extremely important to first designate UESC as a project type before completing any other data entry. Once UESC is chosen as the project type, users then complete all relevant fields on the summary schedule. Next, users should navigate to the Annual Escalation Rates tab. It's here that they enter expected increases in utility rates throughout their UESC performance period, if applicable. Next, users should choose Schedule 1U to enter their annual costs and payments information for the project. Note that users should ignore the other Schedule 1. It is grayed out and is not relevant for UESC projects. Schedule 2A is where users enter ECM level information for their project. Different fields capture information to characterize the ECM size and scope, as well as implementation price. Most importantly, this schedule captures the direct implementation cost, as well as the ECM's markup, which includes overhead and profit. Users can ignore Schedule 2B, as it is not relevant for UESC projects. Schedule 3 presents the proposed annual cash flow during the performance period. Users enter any payments or incentives that will be received during the performance period. In the non-calculating template, they also enter debt service information if desired. Enter any applicable performance period expenses in the lower section, for example, management and operation expenses, or performance assurance services expenses. Note that in the calculating template, the debt service information is calculated and populated automatically. In the non-calculating template, the user must enter all of the performance period financial information manually. On Schedule 4, users enter first-year estimated annual resources and cost savings for each of their ECMs. Users must choose a performance assurance option for each ECM and enter baseline and savings information for each ECM. Lastly, project builders can use Schedule 5 to enter annual cancellation ceilings for their federal UESC projects. For more information on using ePB for UESC projects, please see the full UESC project guide on the ePB Help and Documentation page.